Hello guys, welcome back. Arbab is here. This is a part 2 of smart money concept. In the last video we learned about what is the right and true smart money concept, valid break of structure. So in this video we will see in the chart in a practical way what it look like and how it's work. Okay, so if you want to know about this higher high is valid or not, what we do, as we learned yesterday, that we have to find out, does this high take out the previous lower low, previous pullback. So we will zoom out and see where is our pullback. Okay, so to confirm this higher high we must take out the recent lower low. Somebody anticipate this is the pullback, but for me it's not, because the highest candle, highest wick and the lowest wick, any of this candle does not break the low of this candle. So for me this is not a valid pullback. Okay, for me a valid pullback is here. Alright, so price must take out this one, either sweep or close, to confirm this higher high. After it's confirmed, price will give you a flip entry for a sell, and price will go to the order block, the unmitigated order block, okay, unmitigated fair value gap, and then price will go up to the direction where it's went it. Okay, so here is the basic concept to find out the valid higher high or valid break of structure. Okay, so if you want to learn more deeply, make sure you subscribe our channel and follow us in my WhatsApp group. You will find the link in description, where I will put every day new signals on Forex, gold and US oil. So it's free, all of free. You can try my strategy on demo account, have a 80%, more than 80% of win rate. It will be really helpful for you. And make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, Arbab Zahoor FX Trader, or if you are watching us on TikTok, make sure you follow and come to our YouTube channel and join our WhatsApp group. Best of luck.